I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your Windows 11 computer. Step 1. Navigate to the Windows 11 home screen and then right-click in a blank space to open a menu. Step 2. Click Personalize in this menu. The Personalization settings screen opens. Step 3. Click Colors. Step 4. Find Choose Your Mode and then click to expand the drop-down menu associated with this option. Step 5. Click Dark. You'll see a dark theme applied throughout your Windows 11 computer immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.